In the past, we fought without weapons. We used our wisdom. But when Eru came and took over the earth, people used violence. And the Eru imprisoned everyone. And the children were put into schools. We need to find the warriors. And we need to stand up to the Eru. We need to survive.
We need to be brave in our own ways.
And now we have to be warriors too.
Then came time for the warriors to wake up.